Uh, Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. Pradeep Prakash. I am working as a consultant urology and uro-oncology at Yashoda Super Specialty Hospital and Cancer Institute at Sanjay Nagar, Ghaziabad. Before joining here, I had completed my medical education from prestigious All India Institute of Medical Sciences. My MBBS, MS Surgery, and MCH Urology, all of them were done from the same place. And later on, I completed my fellowship in uro-oncology and robotic surgery at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Today, I wanted to talk to you about a very important and commonly ignored problem, that is blood in urine. In clinical language, it is called hematuria, and it is a very common condition. Around 3 to 4 in 100 patients suffer with this problem every year, and they present to us for further evaluation and management. At the outset, I want to highlight that this hematuria is not normal. Whether it is a single episode or multiple episode, it is never normal, and all the international guidelines, they suggest that it should be evaluated completely and the causes should be ruled out. The causes of hematuria depends on the age of the patient, and like in young age, the most common cause of hematuria is usually stone disease or infection anywhere in the urinary tract, or in old age more than 50 years, the most common cause is usually malignancy, that is cancer. So this is a schematic representation of male urinary tract. These are the kidneys, then the ureter, the bladder, prostate, and urethra. Uh, urine, a blood in urine can originate from any of these sites, and we have to evaluate thoroughly regarding the site and cause of the origin of hematuria. When we evaluate a patient, we normally do a urine routine examination and microscopy, which shows the number of red blood cells and the shape of red blood cells also, which helps in making further diagnosis. A very commonly available modality like ultrasound abdomen is our primary tool for diagnosis, which localizes the site of any tumor or stone or any thickness anywhere in the urinary tract, which suggests inflammation or infection. Depending on the cause, we can further investigate with a CT scan, and we can plan in young ages. If we found that there is stone, then we can surgically treat and remove the stone. Whether if the stones are in the kidney, then we can do a surgical procedure called PCNL, which is an endoscopic procedure. Or if we find any stone in the ureter or bladder, we can tackle it endoscopically without making any outside incision, and it can and we can remove the stones successfully. More importantly, when what should we do when hematuria occurs in case of old age, that is patients more than 50 years of age. Any patient more than 50 years of age has hematuria, they should immediately consult an expert urologist, because only an urologist can suggest you how to diagnose and treat these conditions, and to further and to rule out any risk of malignancy, if so ever present. So if the most common cause of hematuria in old age is bladder tumor, which can be low grade or high grade, which we can evaluate and which can be biopsied endoscopically through urinary tract by a procedure called TURBT, and depending on the severity and grade of the tumor, further treatment can be planned accordingly. When it comes to kidney cancer is slightly less common, incidence of 12 to 15 per 100,000 patient. However, it is more lethal because it does not present clinically, like in the form of a lump or hematuria very frequently. However, recently it is picked more during imaging for other causes with the help of ultrasound abdomen, which is actually fortunate for the patients, because 15 to 20 years ago, when these modalities were not available, there were large kidney masses which usually presented late, At the presentation, there was frequently metastasis also. But with now more detection of small tumor, we are now able to remove only the tumor and save the kidneys with a procedure called partial nephrectomy, which is possible to be done now even laparoscopically or robotically in a more minimally invasive surgical fashion to give better convalescence to the patients. In case if the tumor is large, then there is no option but to sacrifice the whole kidney to give optimum oncological control. So, in summary, I'd like to conclude by saying that any episode of hematuria is not normal. It should be evaluated, and an expert urologist should be consulted for further management and treatment. If you have liked our video, then I request you to kindly like and subscribe our video and share it maximally so that this awareness can reach to general people also. Thank you.